So, here am I again. Hello, this is Sally at your service. Guys, akong advice ha, for those who are in exercise, before kayo mag-exercise, try to ask your doctor if okay ba sa inyo na mag-exercise mo kay kanang we don't know, especially to us nowadays, na atay mga dili, wala ba ta kay baw nga pwede ba nato or okay ba nato ang exercise, especially those katong mga cesarean section. Ako normal man gud ko sa upat na ako nga babies, normal ko. So para nako ang akong i-advise for those na magkanang start sa exercise ha, ask your doctor first before mo mag-start og makaunaw mo nga gusto mo mag-lose weight. Try to think first kung okay ba ninyo ang physical na exercise or dietary na lang na kanang lose weight. Namang go yung mga lose weight nga through exercise and through food. Hello guys, so that's all for today. See you for my next video. Thank you so much for my viewers. Hope you visit another videos of mine. So thank you sa akong number 1 fan, Ate Liza Aurora Ruiz. So thank you so much, Bibi. And thank you for all my friends for viewing my videos. Thank you so much. Mwah. Love you more. Thank you. Bye.